Hey guys, my name's Om and I've been using Premiere Pro for about 12 years and I'm going to go through my top 6 tips to improve your editing and probably save years of time trying to figure this out. I'm going to go through these probably pretty quickly. I hope you can keep up and eventually put these things into practice. So, the first thing that really helped me out is shortcut keys. If you're not already using them, I don't know what you're doing. When I'm editing, I need the most efficient way to edit. And to do that, I've set up the following shortcut keys. So if C, V, X and Z are copy, paste, cut and undo, then I can use F, D, Q, W is to bring up the clip up in the preview window, select the clip and delete it, ripple trim to the next playhead to the left, and W to do the same to the right. I got my phone with me because I can't remember what I'm trying to say, so my notes are on my phone. So, on to stabilization. I know this happens to you. You film something or you've slowed it down in post-production and it's amazing, but you've got awkward stabilization and warping and everything and you can't really put it into the clip. But don't worry, I've got you. You haven't lost anything. All you need to do is go into the Effects and Presets panel, type in Warp Stabilizations and drag and drop this onto the clip. You'll just let Premiere Pro do its job and it'll stabilize the shot for you. The art, I'm going to put my phone down for this, the art of jump cuts. Now, I want to read this out because I've got quite a good statement. In the world of film, you'll never find someone, unless you're really lucky, who can read for 10 to 15 minutes straight, like me, because I'm reading off my phone. Now on YouTube, jump cuts are used a lot. This is where you remove the dead space in the video, which consists of a lot of ums, ahs, or just nothing at all. When you're trying to make the video engaging and engage with your audience, you should never ever leave dead space in the video. And this is where jump cuts come in. Some people will use jump cuts with a J-edit, where the audio comes in before the shot of the next video. But what I prefer to do is cut up the audio and video where it is, right click and drop in the default transition. This is a bit like a cross dissolve, but it'll merge the two audio pieces perfectly. It'll blend the two audio pieces together and remove any pops or hisses that occur in between. Text in Premiere Pro has always been a nightmare. You either go to Legacy Titles or the Graphics tab here. Both are useful tools, but both are clunky and annoying. In your toolbox here, you can select the text box here and just straight away click on the screen and start typing away. You can then move the text left, right, adjust the font, change the color, anything in the properties panel. Nesting! Nesting's used just to put a lot of layers into one clip, and then it's a super easy way of applying one effect to the lot of it, such as scale, position, color grade, whatever. And finally, exporting. Once you've completed your video, you're ready to export it. You go in and find all the options. Don't get overwhelmed with them. Just use them. H.264 is the best high-res but small file size to export. This is one that comes with an added bonus. It lets you choose from the settings. For me, it's YouTube videos by 1080p. This is because when you upload a video to YouTube, it does a lot of compressions on a video, whereas H.264 cuts all of that out and YouTube uploads it with the quality that you desire. Here's a trick here. To speed things up in Premiere Pro, send it to Q rather than export. This will open up another program but saves you so much time exporting it, but lets you get on with another project. Perfect. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy the change. Subscribe here and let me know if you liked it. New videos every week, so until next week, stay inspired. And now on YouTube, jump stabilization. I know in the toolbox here, you can select the T key. In the toolbox here, you can select the text key by pressing T here. On the toolbox